G'day guys, welcome back. So I just did that rainbow ring pour on the spinner, the big one, and you know how I still had a little bit of paint left? I poured it back in because I had a little bit left in the bottom of here as well. And I just poured my little bit left over in the top there, and I've made up a little bit of white, and I'm just going to add a bit of white to it. Not in that one because that's got the black. I think what I'll do is just maybe do every second one. Just put a bit of white on. Because I don't know if you saw the video, but I was saying, oh, wouldn't it be nice if I had a little bit of white in it? And I do need a little bit of extra paint, so let's do that. Just on the top of 3 of them. Unfortunately, the red, it's got red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and black. So that's it there. And I'm just going to use this little canvas. And I've got a little bit of black left for my background. I'm just going to thin it out a little bit more. Make it go a little bit further. I know it's going to mess up my foil, but that's okay, I can change it. I've just got a piece of foil over my cake spinner. Keep it clean. All right, pour that out. Yeah, I wasn't going to video it because, you know, I just poured in the leftover bits of paint. That's it all there. My little bit of leftovers wasn't much, and then I thought, oh, I wonder if I can actually get enough out of this to make a video. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. If it doesn't work, you'll never see it, will you? Because I won't put it up, but let's hope that it's enough. So your base coat needs to be thinner. Like if your paints are 1:1 with pouring medium, I like the base to be like 3:1. Just so it flows, the top paint flows really nicely over the top of it. You don't want the bottom one to be too thick, and then your colours don't flow over. They kind of just get stuck. It doesn't need to be too thick either, as in the amount on there. Look at that, I've got a little bit much there. I'll go over my corners, but I am going to spin this out. Hopefully I don't get any lumps this time. I had quite a few lumps last time. I think like the paint that's on the sides of my jars, it gets all dry and crusty, and sometimes it ends up falling into your paint when you're, you know, scooping your paint out of the jars. I think that's what happens. Actually, I might just paint that side there while I'm there. I'm not sure exactly because I've never done like a rectangle canvas before on a spinner, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. So if I end up having black sides, that's okay, isn't it? Because it'll go over these two, but it might not make its way over to the long sides here, unless I pour like do a wandering ring pour up like that. We'll see what happens. All right, there we go. I'm done. Done with the black. Okay, here we go. Here's my little cup. And I might start there and kind of just do a bit of a ring pour, a wandering ring pour. I don't know. I don't even know how much paint I'm going to be able to get out, so there's a lot of white. There's a lot of white, oh my gosh, it's not too much. Start turning, woman, start turning. It's more of a pastel, isn't it? I have a pastel painting with all that white in it. So I'm doing my ring pour in a anti-clockwise motion, and I'm also turning the spin out in a anti-clockwise motion. Oh, it's a bit harder to reach when it goes over there though. I'll just stay here in this corner for a bit. Oh my gosh, there's a big blob. Let me get that out quickly. It's always in the black. Where's my tweezers gone? Oh, where's my tweezers? Where's my tweezers? Where did I put you? Why is it that you can't find things when you just put them down? Oh, this is my other tweezers. I don't know where my other ones have gone. Okay, I've kept this on its side for the paint to run out, so let's just go back over the top of that. If there's much coming out, I don't know. We'll have to hide that little blobby bit there that I just did. There's still a decent amount of paint coming out. Might as well keep going and use it all up. Except I've got to stretch all the way over now. Come back to me, I can't stretch over there. Alright. Two hands, try and get the last little bit out. And hopefully we've covered where that blob was. Alright, oh my gosh. Phew! Now, just to fix your little end there, because sometimes it sort of drips, you can just get a stick and just go in a little circle like that, just to finish that center off. And there's something in there. I'll show you where my other tweezers went. Oh no, it's just a blob of unmixed paint. Oh, now I've ruined it. Sometimes you don't know whether you should just leave it, you know. Just going to smooth that back over. I might end up, oh, it's ruined. Blobs. You be so careful that you don't have any blobs. All right, love that. I might see if I can actually get some of that off, because I really love this bit and that's going to annoy me. All right, I'm going to take the weight of the paint down there. And what is that? I don't even know if there's anything in there. I can't feel anything. I think it's just a blob of paint. Just a blob of paint. Unmixed paint. Alright, well, that means that's got to go. So, let's spin this little baby. See what happens. Now I can actually put my hand under the spinner there. Oh God, there's another blob. Why? Why am I getting so many blobs? Oh God. I don't know why. But when you're doing this particular technique, like, it really ruins it if you get a blob. Just push it straight off. Maybe that'll help, hey? Push it straight off. And then hopefully when I spin again, maybe that will close up. We'll try it anyway, see if that'll work. Okay, now I do need to come down here a little bit more, get that So let's move the weight of the paint back down that way a little bit, because I'd like to get some of that off and maybe this off. Right, here we go. Did it go? It went! Yay! It went! Phew! Oh, that's really pretty actually. I don't know that you can really see much of the white. Oh, a little bit in here with the red. No, don't put your drippy hands on it. I did that last time. I put my drippy hands on it. Over the top. All right, let's just clean that off so that you can see the actual painting. There we go. And there as well. Oops, I didn't center it very well. That's hanging over that way. So there we go. Just a little quick baby one for you. It's cute. And I guess it just shows you what can go wrong and maybe how you can possibly fix it if you get a blob. Like you saw, I just pulled it through and I pulled it in the same direction as my lines. I think it was over there actually. So it's not too bad. What you could do is, because there's a big blob of red there, you could take some of this blue here and just kind of pull that through like that, just to kind of break up that little bit. You don't have to, but you know, you can if you want to, for sure. And sometimes it looks better, sometimes it doesn't. All right, but you know, maybe you're the only one that will notice that. I think it's looking a bit better, but other people might not notice it, but you know it's there, and that's the thing. It kind of bugs you, doesn't it? All right, I actually don't mind that. I like the white in it. And I did tip quite a lot off, didn't I? Just getting my gloves off. All right, let's go down for a little quick sneak. Look at that, 12 minutes. How fast was that? That was a fast one, wasn't it? All right, I'm going to stand over here, so hopefully we don't get too much glare. So you can see where I've added the white down there. And see those jagged lines? It kind of looks like a an ECG. To me it does anyway. And I think that may be like when it's spinning and I stop it and it goes jerk, 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 like that when I'm trying to stop it. So try not to do that, I guess. Look at these colors. They are just amazing, amazing, amazing colors together. I actually like the little bit of white in there. Maybe I can do another one and put some white in it, because I really like the white, but I won't put it next to the red. You know, red and white are pink, so maybe I could put it between like the blue and the purple maybe, or the green and the yellow. I don't know, but anyway, there it is. Hope you enjoyed that little quick video just with some leftover paints. I've had enough today now. I've done 3 pours. I'm going to go to sit down and have a cuppa. Alright, thanks again for watching, everyone. I'll see you real soon for the next video. Let me know if there's some colours you want me to do with these. Okay, bye for now.